give my perspective. Well, shit, my own POV. Just got the new whip. Since my last one got destroyed. I gotta get the little side market fixed. I don't know why I took the front tags off of it. I gotta get that smoothed out. I don't know why somebody put the front tags on it. About to get it tinted. How the inside look like. Just so y'all know, I ain't do nothing to this joint yet. I'm gonna start it up right quick. Oh shit, no. Almost about to slam my damn leg. This dude heavy. All right, let's go. It's not a little cold start, but it's a start for right now. Yeah, I'm about to have fun with this joint. Hey, as soon as I get all the stuff done, I'm about to get the little interior and all that stuff done. The little lights, little ambient lights. Gonna put some little stuff on like the dashboard. And yeah, that's about it. About to get this tent. I'm at the little tent place right now. We're gonna get this tent. I'll see y'all in the next video. Hey, what's up, y'all? Still waiting for my tent to get done. See what's going on. They almost finished with it. It's all looking nice. It about to be sides. But they already got my front on. They're just doing the sides now in the back. Shit about to look sweet. About to call her Grim. For real. About to get the little decal and all that stuff. About to get a new key fob and all that. Everything coming out as expected. I'm gonna try to pay the car off within probably like, I was about to say like a year, but it's gonna be like 2 years because it came up to 20,000. So pay y'all 10,000 for the first year and then another 10,000 for the second year. I'm not trying to do a whole 5-6 years because it's gonna come up to at least 27,000 because of interest. Because interest they add on 7,000. I'm like, I'm not doing that shit. Fuck that. I paid 20, so I'm gonna pay 20 for it. I'm not about to pay 27,000. That'd be fucked up. I got other stuff to do with that money. All right, but I'm gonna continue the video once the tent is done, and then we're gonna drive around for a minute. So see y'all in the next video. I hate when I stutter sometimes. These POV videos about to hit. I'm gonna try to find more cars later on, so just give me a minute. New YouTube videos coming out, reactions, POVs, whatever, like vlogs, real life vlogs and all that stuff. So stay tuned. There's gonna be a lot of stuff coming on my YouTube. I'm about to just post up everything. Excuse me. See you on the next video. Alright, 10 on it. Got the new tent. Looking nice. Now it's official. Yeah. I still want to get like a little light strip to go across here. If it look good, I'm gonna keep it on there. If it don't, fuck it. I gotta get my windshield wiper fixed because somebody took the relay out this junk. They ain't never replaced it, or they took it out just to be petty. But yeah, that's it. All right, let's go for a ride. I can't roll down my windows. I gotta keep my windows up for a whole week. All right, let's get it. Taking off. I fucking love this car, bro. I should have been got one of these Jones. But it is what it is. Only time will tell what you get in the future. I'm gonna start doing these little POVs a lot, you know. Little quiet POVs, little motivation POVs, just anything, man. I'm gonna title it so y'all know, like, hey, this is this type of POV. So if you don't want me talking, I might have a whole lot of videos of me not talking because I don't really talk that much anyways. But, you know, when I want to get some things off my chest while I'm in the car, I'm like, why not? It's gonna help you out in the long run. I'm a motivated motherfucker right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The thing is about Dodge Charger brakes too. Oh shit, they go the police. Fuck. Look at it. You ain't about to get me, sir. No, sirree. The fucking way. Speed this shit up. Yeah. Speed it up so I can go around you. I swear people be doing this shit on purpose. They drive slow so you won't get in front of them. You know you're moving slow. Hurry up and get the fuck. Police free! It's police free! It's police free! It's police free! It's police free! Yeah! 100 on the first POV. What you know about it? Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Should I end this video right here, or should I keep going? It's been 4 minutes. Cause that's all I really wanted to do was just show the part where I get my tints, do a little POV. I already reached 100 miles per hour. I already showed y'all that. You got a lot of motherfuckers on here, they scared to go 100 miles per hour. I'm like, damn, what's the point of you having a car? You ain't trying to hit 100. You can hit 100 easy with an RT. I had an XST for a whole 10 years, almost 10 years, but a bus hit it. I'm gonna slide that video in there too. Well, not a whole video, but like pictures and little clips and stuff what happened to my car. So I upgraded to the RT. I want to keep this Well, I already told you I'm gonna pay it off within 2 years. It's 10,000, so 10,000 first year, bam. Another 10,000 the next year, bam. And I own the motherfucker. Let me get over. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Scoot, scoot, scoot. You scoot your boots. Scoot your boots. Scoot your boots. I think it's a camera around here. See, the thing is about DC, I live in DC, so it's a whole bunch of cameras. They could be up for a minute, and then they be gone for a minute. And then if you're not paying attention, they'll get you. They be up in the trees and shit, like little poles and shit. They try to make it like modernized to the point that you won't even see it. But if you know what the fuck you looking for, you know how to pick the motherfuckers. Matter of fact, I'm gonna keep the video going until I get home. Or close to home. I want to do another POV over the bridge. Then I'm going to turn it off. Edit the video, post it up. Phew, that shit stink. I wish I could just roll down my window, but it smells like nail polish. It smells like nail polish in here. Oh my God. I ain't trying to fuck up my shit. Cause the whole shit, cause the tint came up to 220. There's a camera around here somewhere. I think it's further up. So I can show y'all how the cameras look like. All right, I go 25 miles per hour, but there go one right here. And then, where is that? Oh, there you go. Wait, but where is it? I know I didn't pass that shit yet. I think I did. Oh well. I hope they didn't get me. See, but that's what I mean. It's like the cameras be up sometimes, and then later on they be gone. I'm like, where the fuck the camera at? So you telling me that the whole time I could have been speeding? Y'all got me slowing down and shit, being scared and shit. Early. Whole time it's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. I wonder should I go to Silver Spring and just chill out for a minute. There go the little camera right there. Up on the pole. Up on the pole. What the fuck is you doing? Motherfuckers be slowing down for no reason. I want to see something right quick. So I get the fuck up in front of him. Yeah, man. Can't outmove me. Look at that. Already hit 30. God damn. You just put your foot on the fuck. Yo, a little light tap on the gas, man. I swear to God, this shit hit fucking 30. 0 to 60 in no time. Gotta watch out down here. This is Minnesota Avenue. Cameras galore. Ugh. Look at that camera. See, my mirror in the way, so when I be trying to show the camera, the mirror getting the little mirror getting it get in the way. V2, hurry this shit up. Hurry up before the light turn. Go on get. Go on get. I want to have music playing too, but I can't record and play music at the same time, which sucks. Oh no. Oh no. We're going around you. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We ain't slowing down for shit. Who that, Verizon? Get your ass out the way. We don't fuck with Verizon anyway. Over that right here, cause it'd be like it'd be a police in the cut in that area right there and shit. They don't do it like they used to no more, but for real. This shit just so smooth. It's like, it don't even feel like you moving that fast. And just the turns and shit, it be so crisp. It's like, oh my God. It's like when you in a regular ass whip, it feel like that you about to spin out of control and shit. It's just straight, just gliding. I love Chargers. I love my last one, even though it was an XST. But this RT, this is a whole different beast. Just imagine if I had a Scat Pack or a Hellcat. I'm gonna worry about a Scat Pack and a SRT once I get my own house and once I can afford a SRT and a Scat Pack. That gas gonna be killing me. They say they gas guzzlers, and it's like you could go to the store and back, you done used up half your goddamn tank. I'm like, fuck no. At least I could deal with an SXT and at least I could deal with the XST. I mean, RT and pay like $60 for a full tank. Like that's how much I paid for my XST every time when it had empty gas. To fill it up for a full tank, it's like $60 a week. That is sweet. Let me hit it. Let me get it. The fuck is you doing? You in the wrong lane? Dumbass motherfuckers. Don't try to get over at the last minute, bitch. Ain't nothing else come out. Shit, never mind. Damn, I was about to go ahead. Look at this dumbass motherfucker. Is you gonna park or not? Move this piece of shit out the way. I'm in a fucking RT. God damn it. You don't know what the fuck you going? Move to the side. You in motherfuckers' way. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Smack your goddamn daddy. Yeah. Alright, you gonna go all that hard stopping and shit before I make you smack your goddamn daddy. Yeah. Shit, I've been recording for goddamn 15 minutes. I'm down there home now. So if y'all still here, y'all still looking at the POV, thank you for watching. If you made it all to the end, you know, some people don't make it to the end. They watch 5 minutes of your content. They call it a day. Like, man, just leave it all in your background and just, you know, let me soak up all the watch time, you know. But thank you for watching. If you made it all to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. If y'all like these type of videos, because there's gonna be more of these, you know. I do reactions and now I'm about to do POVs because this car right here, this is a depreciation asset. So I'm gonna get paid for this shit. I'm gonna get the most out of it. Look at that ass. Let me stop being a creep. But yeah, I'm gonna edit these videos. I'm gonna post it up. I'm about to go out Silver Springs for a minute, go smack at some Jones for a minute, but yeah. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.